Hello friends, my name is Ankit Kumar and in the series of creating a simple validation form by using HTML and CSS and JavaScript, today I am going to code its first part in HTML. So here you can see that I have already created a HTML file. So first of all I will create a simple template for HTML. So for that I am coding over here. Here doc type and then HTML and then head tag. Next I think body tag. So it is a basic template for HTML. Next I will, so first of all I will give a title for our web page. So I am using title tag over here. So title, then I will give a title as JavaScript form validation. So Java. So when I will refresh the browser, then you can see a form is created with the name with the title as JavaScript form validation. So when I will refresh the browser, then you can see here that is, yeah, it is over here. So it is fine. So next thing I will create a container by using div tag. So I am using div in body. So div, sorry, div, and I will give a class for it as a container. So class equal to container. So it is okay. I will close it. And next for creating a form, I am using form tag and I will give an ID as sign up. So form, and I will give an ID as sign up. Yeah, for accessing it in CSS, I am already giving a class as form. So class equal to form. Now it is okay. I will close it. And next I will give uh, a name for our form as a sign up form. So for that I am using h1 tag. So it is a heading basically. So h1, then I will write here as sign up form. Yeah, it is okay. And I will refresh the browser, then you can see it is fine. So next thing I will create another uh, container by using div tag, and here I will give a class as form field. Form field, and I will close it over here. And next for giving a label, I am using label tag, and here I will give a label as username. So in label for username, and I will give as username. And when I will refresh the browser, then you can see uh, a username field is created. So for input I am creating a input box, an input box, sorry. So for input I am creating an input box over here. So for that I will code as by using input tag, input, and its type will be text. So type equal to text. Yeah, it is fine. And next name is username, and I will give an ID as username, sorry, username. Yeah, I think this will create an input box, input input field. So yeah, it is created. So now I want to uh, write a message over here in this box. So for that I will use placeholder. So I am using placeholder. I will um, enter a message as um, enter username or choose a username. So choose a, not a, an username. Yeah, it is fine, and I will refresh, then you can see. So next fields we have to create a as um, email and then password, then confirm password. So for these fields I am copying this one, and I will paste over here, and I will enter here as email, and next here enter your email. That is fine. So I think our next field is also created. Yeah, it is created, and copy, and then for password I will write the same code. So I will paste over here, and here I will write as password, and here enter your password. That is fine. And next we have to create enter confirm password. Sorry, it is a so here I will give as confirm password. Yeah, I think this will create our all fields. So these fields are created, and the next thing I want to create a button over here. So for that I will use another div tag. So div, and here I will give a class edge form field. Yeah, this is fine. I will close it, and then for creating a button I am using a input tag. So here input, and its type will be submit, and its type is submit. Yeah, this is fine, and I will give a value as sign up. So and for accessing it I will give class name as btn. Yeah, it is fine. I will close input tag, then I will refresh the page, then you can see a simple sign up button is also created. So this is our elements for form, and in the next video I will apply some css property for it. So thank you.